Welcome to Family and the Feast channel. My name is Janet and this is
Chloe again.
Chloe is our taste tester. Remember all the ingredients and measurements, it will be listed down below in the description box.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Hi everyone, in today's video we will be making some delicious barfi. Now here is the first step. So guys, the first step is to my bowl. I have some milk powder here, and just remember all the ingredients and measurements will be listed down below in the description box. So you will be sure to check that out before preparing for this recipe. Now to my bowl here with my milk powder, I'm gonna go in here with some cardamom powder. I'm gonna go in with some custard powder. I have here some freshly grated ginger, and I have here some ghee. I also am going to go in with some condensed milk. And now you want to mix this to make sure that everything is combined. Just make sure that everything is well combined. Guys, now that everything is well incorporated, you're just going to place this on the side. You're going to grab yourself a next large mixing bowl and a strainer. Now, we have to get rid of all the lumps that is here, these small lumps. So we're gonna pass this through our strainer here to get a nice smooth texture. And this step you will not be able to skip, because this step will ensure you to have a really nice smooth barfi. And this is the texture here we're looking for after we pass it through the strainer. This is what we're looking for here. So I'm going to finish off with this and I will be right back. So guys, after I'm done sifting my mixture, this is what's left out of it. This is mostly the ginger, or the strings from the ginger, the clumps that I don't really want to pass through anymore. So this is all I'm going to get rid of. And this is the mixture. This is what we're left with. As you can see, it's nice and smooth. It's like dry, silky sand. Now, we're gonna place this on the side and we will head over to the stove for the next step. So guys, the next step is to my pot. I'm going to add in 2 cups of water. And to my hot water, I'm just gonna add in about 5 to 6 cardamom pods. And we're just gonna allow that to come up to a boil for about 2 minutes or so. And after 2 minutes, I'm going to go in with 2 cups of sugar. Now for this recipe, you'll need white sugar, but I didn't have any white sugar, so I'm going in with some mild brown sugar. Now we're going to raise our heat to high, and we will allow this to come up to a boil and allow it to boil for about 15 minutes or so. Now we may not need to use all the syrup, but it's good to have a little bit extra just in case you don't want to run out. After you add the sugar, it will not allow you to go back and boil more sugar. So guys, after about 10 minutes of boiling, you're going to fish your cardamom pods out before there's going to be so much bubbles and you wouldn't see where they are. So I just like to take it out a little bit before. And a little tip that will help you is I use 2 cups of water, 2 cups of sugar. My stove is on high heat and I am boiling this for about 15 to 20 minutes. I did not adjust the temperature or anything, because for the sugar syrup, when you're boiling it, you have to get it at the right consistency. Otherwise, everything in your bowl can become hard and can become like a candy texture, and you don't want that. That's only because you will overboil the sugar and the syrup will become so thick that as soon as the air catches it, it will turn into candy. So you want to make sure that this syrup is at a right consistency. I will let you know the exact time I take it off. That should be, really helpful. Another tip that will help, when you pass a spoon through it, you will feel the thickness of it. It shouldn't be as thin as water. It shouldn't be as thick as honey or maple syrup. That's going to be too thick. Now stirring this, I can feel the consistency is good enough for me. So I'm going to take this down. My cooking time is exactly 12 minutes. I'm just going to allow this to cool down a bit and I'm going to test it. I'll show you the next way you can find out. When you put a little bit in your hands like this, it should be really sticky. Like this, that one thread stickiness. Now this is just good. So guys, now to our mixture, you're going to add in about half of that syrup you have. And we're gonna mix this in. And you wanna make sure you mix with a spoon because the sugar is like really boiling hot and it can burn you. So you wanna make sure you mix with a spoon. And as you're mixing, you're gonna try to break the lumps up. And now we're gonna test a little bit to make sure that when we press it together, it's holding its shape like this. Now, I like to just cube up a little bit here and make sure that it holds the shape. If it's not holding the shape and it's falling apart, you'll need to add some more of that sugar. But for now, this is perfect for me. Now I'm gonna get my pan and I will be right back. Now to my Pyrex bowl, I placed a piece of parchment paper and I'm just gonna add in my mixture here. And I'm gonna go in with my hands here and you wanna just press this out. Make sure it's level. The parchment paper is just for easy removal. And you just want to make sure that you press it down and all the air comes out. It is nice and compact. Otherwise, when you're cutting into this, it will fall apart. Now here, I'm just going to cover this here. And I'm going to go in with a measuring cup at the bottom and just smoothen it out. And at the same time, I'm just going to press to make sure it's really nice and compact. You can remove the parchment paper. So for the next important step, Chloe is going to help me. So guys, every time we make barfi, Chloe likes to put on the sprinkle.
Hi you guys, I'm gonna put on the sprinkles today.
Okay, okay, stop.
That looks good, right guys?
So guys, you just want to make sure you spread this out evenly here. You want to put some more there? Can you put some on that side? Good.
It looks like a rainbow square, you guys. Doesn't it, Mama?
Yes, it does. A rainbow square.
So you guys, when you put the sprinkles on, you gotta press it and let them stick. So when you're trying it, the sprinkles won't fall off.
Very good, baby. And what mommy's using here to press it down?
A measuring cup.
Is this one of your favorite sweets?
Yes.
Now here's what our barfi is looking like. So guys, it's time to cut into our barfi. And I'm just gonna pass my knife on the side here.
So when you chop it, it can easily come out and it won't break.
And now we're just gonna cut them into squares.
Yes.
And if you were wondering, I just set these for about 35 to 40 minutes. This is how it's looking on the inside.
I'm so excited to try it.
You are?
Yeah.
Now Chloe is going to try it and she will tell you guys how it tastes.
Okay, guys, try it. Hi, you guys. This is slippery. Yummy. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in our next video. Bye. And the next video is going to be even great. It's going to be great and creative. I'll see you later. Bye.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you give it a try. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipe. Bye. See you in our next video.